This is a short instructional video to show you how to embed your videos onto the D2L course page. You can embed them pretty much anywhere, but you'll probably want to be doing them mostly when we're in discussions. So I'm on a discussion page and I want to embed my video so it actually shows up on the discussion board as opposed to just being a link that people have to click onto. So the first thing I want to do is go to my YouTube channel. And let's say that this is the video here that I want to share with you. And YouTube, I'm going to click here on share. And this is going to pop up and I look for this thing that says embed. If you are hosting your video on another site such as Screencast-O-Matic, it also has embed codes. So you just want to hunt around and look for something that says embed. So in YouTube, I'm going to click this here. This is going to give me the code to embed the video. So I'm going to copy that code. And then I'm going to go back to my D2L page. So I'm on a discussion board here. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to start a new thread where I am going to link my video. So let's call this Michael's video. And this is where you embed it, is right here where you see that icon. Click on that, and in R2L you'll see this dialog box open, and you want to do this one, insert embed code. So I click on that, and then I just paste that code that I had just copied from YouTube. I'm going to click next, and it's going to show me what my embedding looks like. And I just click insert. And now, as you can see, my video is going to appear directly into the post. And so when other students come to see it now, they should. It's being slow right now, but there it is. They're going to see my video right there in the post. They don't have to click on it and go outside to see some other site. People are going to be much more likely to watch your videos when they're embedded. Okay, that's it. Email me if you have questions. Thanks.